Welcome dear students. Today we will be looking our system requirement for installing kiCad. So in order to do so, visit kiCad.org website, go to help section and check the system requirements. You can check the hardware specifications that are needed to run the kiCad software. You can check the supported processor architecture, the RAM requirement, the hard disk requirement, and the screen resolution. As well as you can check the graphic card requirement for running the software smoothly. Regarding the software specifications that are needed to run this software runs on multiple operating systems. Like you can run this on Windows. You can also run this on Apple Mac operating system, on Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian. You can check which operating system you are using, either it supports the installation of kiCad software or not. If you want to use previous versions of the kiCad software, you simply click on the download. Choose your operating system. As I am using Windows operating system, click on Windows. Scroll down on this page and you will see previous releases. You can click on this link and you will find list of all the previous releases which you can download and install.